What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double O Level, and we're going to be taking a look at a fiber optic HDMI cable that you can use if you're needing to connect something that's going to be maybe in another room or just in a long distance. So let's go ahead and get this open so we can get a look at it. All right, so as we take this out the box, you can see that this is going to be a lot of cable. That's because this is going to be 100 feet of HDMI. So let's get a look at the connection. So this is going to be a fiber optic HDMI that is compatible with 4K resolutions. Now, as you can see, this is 100 feet, so it's going to be nicely wrapped with this Velcro strap. So this is the way it looks when you get it. And when you're getting this connected, it's important to read the label on the connection itself because you have a source and you have a display. That's because this is a directional cable. Now, this is going to be a great cable to use if you're using a high resolution display and connecting to either a higher end system or a multi-unit system that may be part of a production. So this is going to be a fiber optic cable once again, and what's mostly important about this cable, it's going to help you get connected with no delay, no signal loss. Now, it's going to be very important so you can keep that high resolution to your display, or you can keep that high refresh rate, that speed. Say, for instance, you're setting up a gaming simulation or tournament, something like that, something that's heavy productive. This is going to be a great cable to use. So this is HDMI 2.0. This is going to be great for 3D experiences, HDR, Dolby audio, great for your high quality audio and resolution entertainment. Now with your HDMI 2.0, you're going to get up to 18 gigs of data transmission. So this is going to allow you to keep that speed without any delay or signal loss. That's going to be very important. Now, to give you an example of how this works, what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect my PlayStation to a TV that is in another room while my entertainment system is here in my studio. I just use a HDMI box, that's already connected to my entertainment center. Connect this to the output that's going to be the source, and then make sure that this one that says display is going to my display. Now, depending on how far you're going to be traveling, these do come in various lengths, so make sure that you choose the right length for your needs. So we're going to get this connected. I've ran this from my source. Now, if you want a nice clean look, it's best to run this through the wall and then come out the other end. That's going to be nice and clean, or you can route this along the baseboards. And once I have this plugged in, you can see that my signal is coming from one room, my PS5 from one room, to my display TV in another room with no signal loss, high speed, and great quality. So guys, this is going to be the 100-foot fiber optic HDMI 4K cable. Hopefully the information that I gave you helps make your decision. If you have any questions, comments, you can leave them in the comment section if it's available. Other than that, I'm Rashard D with Double O Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.